Told that after the war the Nazis vanished without a trace, but battalions of MAGA scum still dream of a master race. The history books may tell of a defeat in 45, but they all came out of the woodwork when that Nazi Charlie died. So they turned Horst Wessel Charlie into a symbol of the right. They called him a Christian nationalist and forgot the keyword was white. He said he'd make his 10-year-old give birth to a rapist's child, but they all came out of the woodwork calling him hero when he died. The planet is filled with maggots. The maggots are getting fat. They're making a tasty meal of all them bosses and bureaucrats. They're taking over the boardrooms of CBS with Barry Weiss, and the bitch went kicking and screaming when that Nazi Charlie died. They pretend that it's a funeral when it's just a white power meet. The president shits on Charlie's wife and warns against defeat. He claims he's loved and popular just like what's-his-name, that dead guy, the one who tried to exterminate us queer folks. But he died! Ha! So if you meet with these historians, here is what you say. Remind them that the Nazis never once went away. Though they're commanded by Stephen Miller at CBP, DHS, ICE, and DHI. And we'll never rest again until every Nazi dies.